Boing. How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here, and today I have a little box of what I thought were to be goodies that I got from Aldi. So I'll show what I got. I think I got ripped off pretty hard. So as always, I can't pass up a bargain, and I thought that this looked like it could be potentially not great, but acceptable quality. So this here was $30, and I thought, oh, that's all right. It'll be alright. It's got a what are the circle cores? I can't think of them at the moment. Anyway, in the toe wall holder, and then this is cast zinc. It can be hit with a hammer, but it gives you some security, and I get a bonus little padlock. So I didn't really look at the packaging very well, and it says they're all kit alike. So that's the first red flag. So get that out of the way. So open it up, and this looks tiny compared to the picture, Oh, I guess maybe it doesn't. I just expected it to be bigger, Oh well. And then what I found out is they're all wafer cores. They're all janky, crappy wafer cores. So, Jesus. So, I think I wasted $30. So I think most of us would have seen the lockpicking lawyer smash this open with a hammer. It's all cast shitty metal, and I think he actually shimmed this one, because as you can see down here, it's just a little locking pole that stops it. So let's see how quickly we can get into these guys. Alright, I'm just going to do this in hands. Don't think it's going to hold up too much pressure. Alright, worm rake. Open. And of course, because they're the same rubbish core, if I can get this guy in. Let's try a snake rake. There we go. Let's go to snaky. Or I think the sparrows call it the best buster. Oh. let's try something different on this last one. Let's try the city rake. Oh, I think I got him. No. Got him. Open. Yeah, so I am rather disappointed with that. They're all pretty low physical quality. You know, some stuff that you buy from Aldi at a cheap price is normally constructed pretty well. But all this is just janky rubbish. So, yeah, if any of you guys see it out there, I would not recommend. Yeah, complete rubbish. Very disappointed. Alright, well, yeah. I'm going to hide this box from the missus and hope she doesn't find it. And that's all I got for tonight, and hooroo!